Hey everyone, welcome to another artsy weekend vlog. Sean and I bolted out of the house this morning. I had a doctor's appointment very early this morning, and now we're at Target because I forgot to put on deodorant. A lot's going on today. So I had a doctor's appointment very early this morning. I'm sure you can tell by how tired I look. And I have a hair appointment in a little bit, and I'm so excited for this freaking hair appointment. Oh my god. So I'm gonna be coloring my whole head. I think we're doing my entire head purple this time. We did like the ends last time, and I've always done my ends, but I want to do my whole head. I just want it. So that's why I've been like leaving my hair and letting it get like, look at this color. Yeah, we ran out of the house so fast this morning that I forgot to put on deodorant. So Sean has run into Target for me to get some deodorant because I'm gonna be sitting in this freaking hair salon for like 5 hours and I just don't want to smell. I have perfume on, but like, I don't know, I feel like I need deodorant. Oh, for a second I was like, what is that? Yes! So now I have 2 sticks of deodorant. Now we're gonna head to my hair appointment.
Yes, sir!
Okay, there we go.
I think it's gonna look really good.
Also, the sun is out. That is a change of pace. Like, that is crazy. It's gonna rain tomorrow, but we're only gonna focus on today. The sun is out, and it's gonna be sunny for the whole, well, I mean, I think partly cloudy or something, but for the whole day. Maybe like throughout the appointment, if she like, you know, once I'm like processing certain things and like it takes a while, I'm just sitting there, maybe I'll pull out my camera and like show you guys. Alright, this is my finished hair. I feel like this lighting is not doing it justice. It is, I mean, it's definitely like a really dark purple all the way up to my roots. The ends are where the big difference is. Like when I was showing you my ends earlier, like even just the texture of my ends looks so much better. She did cut it. I haven't let somebody cut my hair in literal years. That's not an over-exaggeration. It's not a joke. I don't let people cut my hair. And so she cut my hair and she put like super cute layers in it and like a little bit of, I don't know, like a layer in the front that like frames my face a little bit. I don't know. It's cute. I like it. I think it's like a wicked nice like fade into like from my, you know, dark hair to this like bright purple on the ends. I think it's pretty.
It's great.
Thank you.
I love it.
She also showed me how to curl my hair with a straightener because I was literally scrolling on Instagram when she was, you know, in the process of doing my hair, and I was like, you know how people curl their hair with straighteners? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, how? How do you do that? And I was like, is it like a certain kind of straightener that it only works with? And she was like, no, you can do it with any straightener. I was like, shut up. That's not true. So she was showing me how to curl my hair with a straightener. So, yeah. So anyway, that's the hair update. It looks so much better than it did. It was getting so crusty and nasty. Anyway, Sean needs deodorant now. I was literally like, why didn't you get deodorant when you bought me deodorant this morning? What was your answer? There was somebody in front of it?
Yeah, I knew you were like stressing for time and everything.
Yeah.
And there was somebody in front. Plus, I like vetting the deodorant by you. That way you're not like, never smell like that around me.
I appreciate that. So we're gonna go get Sean some deodorant and then waters, and we're probably, I know that it's sunny out, but getting up this morning, like I went to bed super late last night. Well, not super late, but late for me. because I was trying to finish editing a video. I wanted to get it up today. I didn't get it up today. I'm gonna save it for next week. Then waking up early this morning, and I don't like time restraints, and like, I'm the kind of person that needs to be early for things, so I can sit in the parking lot and think about what I have to go in there and do. That's like not even a joke. Like, that's what I sit there and do, is I'm just like, okay, so I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna say this, and then hopefully this will happen. That's it. And if I don't have that time, then it's, I don't know, nothing bad will happen. Anyway, we're gonna go get deodorant and waters, and then we're probably gonna hang out and play some freaking Mario Party or something, because that's what I'm feeling. I know we should probably do that tomorrow, but I think tomorrow instead we'll probably film another video. I'm gonna try to get Sean to be a part of a video tomorrow, or at least help me film it. Deodorant has been acquired, water bottles have been also acquired, and now we're home in front of the fan. What are you doing? Look how dusty you are! She like tosses around her litter like it's, we always call it like the battles of the litter box. The colors of the dots are like kind of weird. Like, I feel like I never see them this color. Look at them. They're almost like a pink, green, blue. It's like so warm, it has no idea what to do. And then this thing is just like pink and purple. Speaking of this, actually, somebody sent me a link this morning to another website that's like using one of my videos and one of the ads for their listings for thermal color changing something or other. Like when I say that, I mean that they have screen recorded sections of my video and are saying that that is what their product does. And it's absolutely not what their product does, because I didn't use their product in my video, and that's me. That happened, so I'm gonna have to fill out a form. You know what's funny is a lot of these websites have, what is it called? The form?
DMCA.
DMCA form, where you like fill out if something on their website was like yours and is like a copyright thing. But it's like, if you have to have that on your website. 2, did you or like one of your employees make that little video? If not, probably shouldn't use it. Right? Because it's probably not yours if you didn't make it. Doesn't that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I have to charge my battery, so we're probably just gonna hang out anyway. The fur is flying everywhere. Oh. Look at that little baby. Good morning and welcome to Saturday. So, yeah, last night we kind of just hung out, played games, and chilled because we were so freaking tired, but I'm feeling much better, well rested, I'm feeling fresh, and we are headed to the warehouse because I'm gonna try to, last week I was talking about maybe doing like art videos every other week. I wanna talk about this like a lot more, because I feel like this has been like a big kind of thing for me lately, but in short, because I don't want to just do it in the car. Sean like ran up to get my laptop, so I don't have a lot of time, but I've sort of lately been feeling like kind of defeated regarding like YouTube and, you know, videos and stuff, and I think that that is making me almost like not forget, but like sort of take the fun out of it. It's so hard to describe in short without telling you like the full story, as if it's a story. But without telling you the full thing, it's hard to describe. But I think I've just felt so defeated that I'm such a huge like self-sabotage kind of person. So I think I was just like, I can't do it. Like, I need to find something, like I just can't. That was kind of like sort of the vibe that I've been having. Not the actual thought that I can't do it, but just like the feeling of like I can't I suck. Like, I failed. I'm a failure. Like, so I don't know. I'm trying to turn that around and not think that way, because that's not what's true. Anyway, all of that to explain that we're going to the warehouse today, and I think we're going to try to film 2 videos. One of them is going to be like a UV resin video. I feel like I've also, part of what I want to, you know, explain to you guys is that I feel like I've trapped myself, and again, this is going to be short, but I do want to get into it a little bit more some other time. But I feel like I've trapped myself in thinking that I can only do like fine art. Fine art. What even does that mean? Like fine art kind of videos, like videos where ooh, granola bars. Videos where I make something that is either like super functional or like is a really like beautiful piece of art, and I do love making those videos, but I also kind of just want to make stupid sometimes. Like, I just want my personality is stupid stuff. Right?
Yeah,
I feel like, yes, I love fine art. I love working with flowers and making something just genuinely really pretty. But I also I really would love to like start, I don't know, doing experiments and like having fun with it again. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be trying to do. We're going to try to do a UV resin video. I don't know. I'm excited about it, and my arm is getting tired. So anyway, we're going to granola bar.
Eat granola bars.
And then we're going to head to the warehouse.
Where are we at?
This is for the vlog. Oh my god, last vlog somebody commented, nope, you lost me at the air horn impression and saying, we here. I was like, okay, bye.
That did it for you.
But anyway, yeah, we're at the warehouse right now and we're filming. Look at this. Look at it.
Wow. Film.
Yeah. Pretty great stuff. Pretty great stuff. Look at it. 16 ounces. Oh my gosh.
16.
It's crazy. Anyway, we're about to film a video using some UV resin, and I'm excited about it.
I'm excited too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Cool. Exactly.
Bugly.
Are we being mean?
No.
Are we being mean to this bug? What, is it flying?
It just zooms so far.
Oh. Don't make that face ever again.
Sorry. You made that face while I had a bug on me. You didn't even tell me.
Yeah, because the bug was on you and about to crawl down your shirt.
You should have just told me. I don't panic.
You were holding my camera, okay?
I don't
I
panic.
had to grab my camera first and then tell you.
Fair enough.
Alright?
The bug was deposited outside.
Oh my god, do you remember when we had a kitten and we had a bunch of wires hanging from the TV that were also connected to a Nintendo or something?
Yep.
And the kitten literally, like, you know, kittens are freaking crazy. And he was just like running around like zoomies like crazy. And then he stops. And the wire is literally like right in front of him as a perfect loop around his adorable little head. Okay? And we were all like...
And he looked at us.
Yeah, he looked at us. He knew what he was about to do. He knew what he was about to do. And he literally did it. He went through it, pulled the freaking Nintendo down off of this like shelf we had it on. It came yanked out of the TV. It was kind of hilarious looking back on it now.
Yeah, it really was.
And that was basically our weekend. I feel like yesterday was just a lot of working and being at the warehouse, which you guys didn't see. I mean, you're going to see it in other videos, obviously. But as far as the vlog goes, I feel like there wasn't much to film yesterday just because we were working and filming other videos. So yeah, I hope you guys are ready for some videos because I've been filming way more than I ever have. And I know that that's like, wait, what did we just talk about last week? That I was maybe going to cut back on videos, but I think I touched on this either yesterday or at the beginning of this vlog or something. But I think I've just been feeling really defeated as far as like, you know, uploading videos and, you know, creating stuff, just art in general, but mostly centered around YouTube. And I think that it was just like, I felt so defeated, and I've been feeling this for so long, and it's just been increasing and increasing. I think that I've recently, like, it felt like I just woke up one morning and was like, I'm not gonna lay down. I'm not gonna give up like this. I'm not gonna cut down on videos because I love doing this. And I think that, I don't know, I want to, like, I kind of feel like I've lit a fire under my own butt. I feel like it's hard to explain, like, what exactly happened without taking, like, an entire video to explain it to you guys. But I feel like with the weird thing that I'm not super comfortable with is asking people to hit the bell for notifications. There's like a little bell next to the subscribe button, I think, that if you hit that, you'll get notifications when I upload a video. But if you guys want to hit that, if you guys want to hit that button, I would be eternally grateful, because it feels like my videos aren't even being put into people's inboxes that are subscribed to me, if that makes any sense. I don't know if that's true or whatever, but I hope that this doesn't come off like I'm, you know, whining or whatever. I actually feel sort of the opposite now. You know, I was feeling defeated before, but now I genuinely feel like I just want to get back to the things that I love to do. And I'm super excited. I'm honestly super, super excited. So yeah, I hope you guys are down for more videos. So instead of, you know, like cutting down on upload, I kind of just want to film things and like, just like really put my all into this. And again, I don't want this to come off like I'm ungrateful. I think that you guys know this by now. If you watch a lot of my videos, you follow me on Instagram, I'm constantly grateful for literally everything that you guys do to interact with any of my pages or my YouTube channel. Like your comments, your follows, your subscribes. Like I can't do this without you, literally. Like I love you guys so, so much. So I can't tell you how much it means to me that you guys are watching these vlogs. I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying these vlogs and enjoying like hanging out. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death. And I will see you in the next video. You have to do it with one hand. Goodbye.